Hi all, welcome to Easy Cooking. Today we are going to make cauliflower potato fry. I have taken 4 medium sized potato. I have washed nicely because I am going to use with the skin. The skin has more properties as well. It gives more taste when it gets fried because oil and the potato skin gives an added taste. Now I have added coconut oil. Coconut oil for any fry will be great. If you have any other oil, you can add it. I love to add coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, I have added mustard, jeera, and main is the ajwain because cauliflower and potato both have gas materials. If you add jeera more and ajwain half a spoon, gives you good digestions. Add curry leaves and cut potato. Keep stirring till the oil coats to the potato. Once the oil coats nicely, you can close the lid. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Now I am adding ginger garlic, which will give you an extra taste as well as good for health. Generally I use less chili powder. That's the reason I go for more ginger garlic paste. Ginger garlic is your option, but only garlic also gives extra taste. Potato with garlic is an added advantage. I've cut and washed and boiled the cauliflower with salt so that there won't be any insect. Now you can saute the potato nicely. Now add the cauliflower in small chunk equal size as of potato. Add some salt because I didn't add salt within the potato. Now saute nicely. The key point or the tips in this particular recipe is like you have to keep saute. The thing is like you have to saute first till the vegetables get cooked, and then we have to add masalas. That's the tips in this. Keep sauteing. After adding salt, it will leave little bit of water. Let the water get evaporate and the vegetables get fried little bit, then we can add masalas. Now I have added turmeric and half a spoon of turmeric and a little bit like half a spoon of garam masala just for an added taste, and 1 full spoon of coriander powder and half a spoon of chili powder because I use very little chili powder, so it's like very little. And for your taste you can add the chili powder according to your taste. Keep stir frying it, saute it again. This is the key tips in this. You have to keep saute. Now we have added masalas. It will get stick into a pan easily, so you have to keep sauteing it. Once you close the lid, the water will be little bit falls down and it allows little bit of cooking with the masalas and the vegetables. So you have to close the lid for 5 to 10 minutes. Every 5 minutes once, like you have to keep stirring. Once you stir and you can find that oil has started coming out, that is the time you can feel it like this is like totally fried. And also you can see the vegetables like it gets very dull or like you can be like fried and the freshness will go. That is the time the cauliflower is ready.